My corned beef hash waffles are salty and super crispy, and they're a cool mashup of two breakfast classics, waffles and hash. To start, I am just shredding up some corned beef. And corned beef is brisket that's been salt brined with spices until it's really tender and flavorful. All right, now this is shredded, I'm gonna slice up an onion. So I'm just cutting this onion into nice thin slices, and these will mingle about with my shredded potatoes. And I like these larger pieces as opposed to chopping my onion because I don't want them to get stuck in the waffle iron. And now I'll add 3 eggs, which will help bind the mixture together. And now I'll grab my shredded potatoes. Now I prefer to buy the pre-shredded potatoes from the store because those potatoes have had moisture drawn out of them, and that helps the hash browns get crispy. So I'm gonna add 5 cups of these to my bowl. And you can use frozen or thawed. If they're frozen, they'll thaw pretty quickly. And now I'll add a few good pinches of salt. You gotta salt your potatoes well. And lots of black pepper. Now mix this all together to combine. I want to make sure that the egg gets completely distributed throughout the mixture so that it all holds together in the waffle iron. Okay, I've got an even dispersal of potatoes and corned beef. This is looking good. I'm ready to waffle it. I've got my waffle heating up hot, and I'm gonna grease it so that the waffles don't stick, and this will also help it get crispy. And now I'll add 2 cups of my mixture to the waffle iron. That's a good sizzle. I'll just zhuzh it around, get it evenly spread out, and then we'll press down the top. I'll cook it for about 10 minutes until it's golden brown and crispy all over. Oh, I can't wait to bite into these. Okay, I'm gonna check on it. Oh my gosh, I wish you could smell it. It's so golden and crispy. Okay, I'm gonna keep on waffling now. Look at this gorgeous stack of waffles. Okay, now to finish these off, I'll top them with some fresh chives, just for a pop of freshness and some color. So crispy and satisfying. I love the corned beef in there. These are gonna be a huge hit at breakfast.